Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about the VLOOKUP function of Microsoft Excel. Many a times we find it difficult to use this VLOOKUP function, but don't worry, I will make it easy for you. So I will take a very simple example to demonstrate this VLOOKUP function. I won't create such huge data table, but a very simple one so that it is easier for you to understand how you can use that. Let's say I have a table which contains the information of my products like the product name, description, stock and price, and then at the same time I want to create a small minor table which will contain only the product name and the price of that relevant product. But at the same time I just don't want to go and copy the price of that product and paste it here. Rather, I will create a function that will look up to this major table and it will fetch me the relevant price of that product which I am looking for. Okay, so the requirement is very simple. We just go ahead and implement it using the VLOOKUP. Let's start creating the function. Put equals to and then search for VLOOKUP. So this is the function that we need to call, and it accepts four parameters. That is, we have to provide value into these four parameters so that this function can perform its action appropriately. I can also expand this by clicking on Ctrl A. So before providing value into these four mandatory parameters, I'll first make you understand what this actually means in simple terms. What are these four parameters in simple terms? So the first one is, what do you want to search? The second parameter is, where do you want to search? And the third parameter is, whom do you want to search? And the fourth parameter is whether you want to have an exact match or approximate match. So let's start providing the value. As I said, lookup value is nothing but what do you want to search. So we want to search for this shirt product. I can simply click on it and it will take the position of that word. If it is present at the F column and 11th row, so that's why F11. Then put a comma. Then we want to provide where do we want to search. So we want to search in this table starting from A2 to D7. There we want to search in this range and it will take it automatically from A2 to D7. This search will happen. And the third parameter is column number of the index whom we are searching for. So let's say if it is able to find that product in this range, then which particular column we want to return or display or get the value of. So it will be the fourth column of the previous table. You see, D is nothing but 4. You just need to put 4 here. Okay, it should not be D. It will be the column number, as it says, column index number. And the fourth one is, if you want to use the approximate match, then provide it as true. If exact match, we want to search for that product which exactly matches with this word, then we have to provide false. So let's provide it as false, then close the parenthesis. Okay, now click enter. As you can see, it has properly brought me 250 value respective to this particular shirt product. And then you can simply copy this same element to other rows as well, same function to other rows as well, and they will get the respective values from the previous table. For watch, the price is 6,000 and for the specs it is 700. So the concept is very simple. As I said, what do you want to search, where to search, and if found, whom to search, and then the exact match